In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this upper grille on this Toyota Corolla. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the grille. Start by taking this 10mm bolt out. Use a 10mm socket. Take these push pins out. Just use a push pin removal tool or a trim tool. Pop those out. Then from the back side, there is some clips holding this in. You're gonna pop those clips up. Might even want to use a trim tool in the front here. Just pry up so that you can unclip those. You can see all these clips. So from the front, if you're using the trim tool, you can push those down, pop those out. Now we're going to remove the emblem and swap it over to the new grille. If you have a new emblem, then you don't have to do this step. On the back side of here, I'm just going to use a heat gun and heat it up. Just be careful. And just take a straight blade screwdriver and just peel this up. Just being careful not to crack the grille, not to crack the emblem. There's just double-sided tape on here. Just slide that up and I'll heat it up a little bit more. Just be careful, the emblem might be hot. Now we clean that all off, just use a razor blade, and then I'm just taking an alcohol wipe and wiping it down. And same with on the grille, wipe the area the adhesive is going to go. Now if you have some double-sided tape adhesive, you want to put that on and trim out the edges. If not, use the best adhesive you can to secure this on. And then line the two pins up with the holes. Slide it in place and just push it on. Now take the grille and line it up. At the base, you want everything to clip in. So you might have to push from the back. Just make sure it's all lined up. Put the push pins in, lock it down. Line this bolt up and tighten this down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.